welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Balochi Mutton Karahi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The ingredients you will be needing for this recipe are half kilogram mutton with bones, 3 chopped up onions, and 3 to 4 green chilies. For chopped up tomatoes, first off, take a utensil and pour in half cup of oil, then add in the mutton, along with the vegetables. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili flakes and mix everything together. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Pour in 1 glass of water. Now mix it up. Now let it cook until the water dries out. Keep mixing. Take out the tomato skin. Now add in 2 chopped up green chilies. Mix it all together.